Welcome back. In this short video, we're going to see how we can connect our ideas very effectively using words and phrases such as so that, and such that. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective, and we promise a brand new you in 6 months or less. So what are we talking about? We're talking about a few phrases or connective words such as so, such that, and so that. These are used to connect ideas to show how they're related to each other. Let's look at some examples. Let's start off with so. So is used to connect two sentences and to also give a reason for an explanation. For example, I'm very tired today, so I won't be coming to play today. Look at the two ideas here. I'm very tired today and I won't be coming to play today. Which do you think is the reason? The reason is that I'm very tired today. And what is this the reason for? Why you won't be coming to play today, right? So connects two separate ideas where there's a reason and there's an explanation of sorts, and it connects them in one single sentence. Before we go on to other examples, a quick word about Capshine. Do check out the free trial with which you get access to live classes, speaking opportunities. You get access to a personal coach, monthly fluency tracker, feedback, and daily micro lessons. This can help make you a much more effective user of the language. Let's continue with the connective words. The next word is so that. So that is used to connect two ideas, and one of which is a reason or an explanation, and to also add on some intensity to it. So it intensifies the reason as well. For example, the movie was so nice that we watched it thrice. How nice was it? It was so nice. And again, it gives an explanation as to why you watched it thrice. It was so nice. It intensifies the reason. A similar example is such that. Plays almost the same role, but it's used in different contexts. For example, it is such a difficult exam that only 10% of students pass. Why do only 10% of students pass? Because it's such a difficult exam. The reason followed by the event itself. So for these kind of sentences where you have to combine two ideas, but one is an explanation and another is the situation, you can use so, such that, or so that, depending on whether you want to intensify it or the context itself. Now, to put our understanding in scope, let's try out a few questions. You can pause the video if you'd like, read the sentence, and tell me which of these is the correct alternative. Right, so the sentence says, we became very hungry, blank, we ordered some food. So this is an explanation and this is the event itself. You're going to use so. And of course, so is the correct answer. Great. Let's look at another one. It was blank hot yesterday, blank, I left the air conditioner on the whole day. It can't be so, that doesn't work. Is it such that or so that? Was it so hot or was it such hot? It has to be so hot. And there you have it. It was so hot yesterday that I left the air conditioner on. It was Lucy's birthday, blank, I bought a cake. This should be obvious. So I bought the cake. Perfect. And finally, Russia is blank, a big country, blank, it has 11 time zones. Is it so a big country or such a big country? Of course, it is such a big country, and there you have it. Such a big country that it has 11 time zones. And of course, it is such a big country. And finally, he was struggling a lot, blank, I gave him some money. Of course, it has to be so, I gave him some money. Provides an explanation. I hope you found that video informative and I hope you learned this. Make sure you use this in your day-to-day usage while writing or speaking as well. To know more and to not miss videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification. If you want to know more about your 30-day free trial, check it out by going to capshine.com or downloading the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.